Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will mark the first board in section 4 of chapter 9 that deals with a tactic called the virtual sacrifice. A short note about the tactic: when a piece is uh, under danger from capture by enemy material, it is common to either move the piece away to protect it or to try to seek an exchange so that something of the same value could be obtained. However, there's a fourth method called a virtual sacrifice, whereby the piece under attack is actually used as bait to create an ambush. So, without further ado, let us see today's board. Now, as can be seen, in this situation, it will be Black's turn to move. So let us begin with a simple analysis. Red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 pawn, full guard, 3 pawns. Black would have also 2 chariots, 1 horse, 1 cannon, 3 pawns, and a full guard. Now, it will be Black's turn to move. Now, Red is eyeing the elephant over here. A potential move would be to block the elephants and go for the kill. So, the red cannon is also threatening to capture the elephant directly. So obviously this would be the major issue that Black would have to handle at this point in time. So 3 main variations are discussed. The first will be r equals to 2, the second will be e3 plus 1, and a5 minus 4. Now before we continue, let us go through the first option of moving the elephant away to safety. Now if we did, we would simply play r7 plus 3. So one of the elephants would fall, and Black will continue with c7 equals to 8 as he prepares to get to the bottom rank and go for the kill. So obviously moving the elephant away to safety is not viable. What about a5 minus 4 to try to form some sort of protection? Again, Red will push the chariot forward to the third rank and block the elephants, forcing him to move away. Again, r7 plus 3. Now let's say Black tried to offer a trade of material. Black will capture, check, a6 plus 5, and then be prepared to capture the advisor for attack. Now if r9 equals 7 were played instead to protect the elephant, Red would now play r6 equals to 3, and Red would have the initiative. So either way, a5 minus 4, or to solidify the bottom rank, is not a good idea. So the recommended move would be to play r8 minus 2, whereby Black would instead use the elephant as bait. So let's say Red captured. Instead of capturing immediately, otherwise it would be a checkmate for beginners. Okay, check, and Red will be prepared to go for the kill. So instead of capturing, r2 minus 4 to threaten to gain material, and Black would have more material instead, an overall advantage. He will be attacking this flank, and Red will be in all sorts of trouble. So as can be seen in variation B, moving the elephant away and a5 minus 4 are not viable. Now let us take a look at the board from the eyes of Black. Again, e3 plus 1, e3 plus 1, r7 plus 3, and Red will have a tremendous advantage. a5 minus 4 will not work. Block, threatening to capture. Now if r9 equals to 7, Red would play a pin, and again Black would be in trouble of losing material. r8 equals to 3, check, and Red will still be defending, and I'm also attacking at the same time. The horse is in trouble, etc. So the suggested recommended move will be r8 equals to 2, whereby this elephant is given up as sacrifice. Capture, protect instead of capturing immediately, and Red would have been forced to use his cannon to trade for one of Black's elephant and chariot, but Black will still be attacking, and this chair would be able to offer some adequate protection for the time being. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.